6 Math Prodigies. This is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 6 of your assessment paper number 13. Okay, let's take a look at this question. It says a water container measuring 50 by 45 by 30 was filled with water. Some water was then poured into a second tank with a base of 75 by 50. If the depth of the water in the first tank fell by 10 cm, what was the volume of water was taken out? And B, what was the water level in the second tank? This question is superbly simple. Okay, you should be able to solve it. But you need to see and understand what this question is about. Okay, so basically it says it has a water container with 50, 45, and 30. So 50 meters long, which means that it should look a bit like this. Oh, sorry. It will look a bit like this, 50 cm long, 50 cm or 50 meters? 50 cm, correct. 50 cm long, and then we have 45 cm wide and 45 cm wide and 30 cm high. Wide and 30 cm high. Oh, no space. Okay. So this is our tank. Let's imagine this is our tank, okay? And then it says that it was filled with some water. We don't know how much it was. But then some water was then poured into a second tank with a base of 75 and 50 cm wide. This is a bigger tank, much bigger. Okay, but we don't know what is the height. But we just draw something that looks a bit like that. Okay, my drawing really sucks today. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the second tank. And it says that if the depth of the water in the first tank fell by 10 cm, what was the volume of water that was taken out? So we don't know what the volume was initially or what it was at the start. But we do know that it dropped by 10 cm. That means, for example, this is what? Okay, I'm going to draw in red. If let's say there was something like that originally, that means it dropped by 10 cm. Can we find out what is the volume of water? Yes, we can. Because we have the length, which is 50, and we have the breadth, which is 45, and we also have the height of the water that was reduced, which was 10. So can we find the volume? Yes, we can. 50 by 45 by 10 will give you the answer. So 50 by 45 by 10 will give you the first answer, and if you put that into your handy dandy calculator, you will get the answer of 22,500 cm cubed. And that is the answer for part A, which is the volume of water that was taken out. The second question is, what was the water level in the second tank? Now, you already know two very important things, which is 75 cm long and 50 cm wide. Okay, my question to you is, can you find out the height if you're given the base area? Yes, you can. Remember that if your volume divided by your base area, which in this case is 75 by 50, this is your base area, you can find your height. So in this case, your volume is actually equals to 22,500, and your base area is 75 multiplied by 50. Okay, 75 divided by 50 will give you 85. 75 times 50 will give you the base area, which is 3750, and you just take 22,500, right? So memory recall divided by 3,750, that will give you the answer of 6 cm. Therefore, part B answer is, what was the second level? What's the level of water in the second tank? It's basically 6 cm. So if you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Very simple question, like I said again. Only 2 steps and you're done. But you have to understand how it is like. So again, like I said, emotions can be your greatest allies in life. If you took a look at this question, you're like, oh no, I can't do it. Guess what? You will not be able to do it because you allow your emotions to get the best of you. So instead, relax, chill out, read again, draw it, and you will see that it becomes easy. Alright, so once you keep repeating to yourself that this is easy, guess what? Your emotions will just simply take over and say, hey, yeah, this is pretty easy, and things will become easier for you. So that's my tip for you for the day, and high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job.